Hello everyone, it's Mark Opwood here. I'm the Managing Director at Great Western Railway, talking to you from London's Paddington station. Just wanted to say a few words about the weather and the disruption that we've seen across Great Western Railway. And first of all, if you have been travelling and you've been affected by train service disruption due to the storms and the weather, my apologies. I do hope we can get services up and running as quickly as possible where people have been affected. And the storm has done some damage to the railway, to the infrastructure, and we need to work with our friends in Network Rail to get that fixed. This week, Wednesday evening, we do have to close the railway through Dawlish. There is some damage, a sinkhole. In order to reduce the risk of further damage, Network Rail needs to go in and fix that, and that requires a blockade of the line, and that will result in some disruption. Our sleeper train will be affected, and so will other services. So do check all the usual channels, including gwr.com, for details. And sadly, we can see more inclement weather on its way, so we will do our best to keep railways open, to run trains where we can. Where we're not able to, we'll keep people informed. In the meantime, you as our customers are our priority. We're going to operate the best service we can, keep you informed where we can't, and there'll be more updates coming in the next few days.